Hi, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel Star Seed Flower. Before I start this video and tell you how to find the value of x, some terms you have to know related with this topic. First is algebraic or numerical statement. Second is linear equation. Third is linear equation in one variable or more variables. So we start with the first statement. When a statement has only numbers with equal sign, these are the numerical statements, or we can say that these are the equality statements and they are not equations. Whereas when a statement had one variable and with equal sign, and variables are denoted by different alphabets, so these are the equations, or we can say that the algebraic statement, these are the real equations. The next is when a statement or expression had more than one variable and along with the powers or the exponents, powers can also say that exponents, and the value of this exponent is more than 1. So these are the linear equations, or we can say that the linear equations with two variables. Now you know that which is the linear equations, as you see that these are the linear equations with more than one variable and this variable's highest power is 1. So these equations are called as linear equations in one variable. Linear equations and equations with variable and variable with highest power is 1 are the linear equations in one variable. So let's start to solve these kinds of equations. Today in this video we will find the value of variables by two different methods, by addition method and by subtraction method. It just simply mean that by adding the numbers or subtracting the numbers. First we take the addition method to find the value of y. Here we have to find the value of y. So first step of this, we have to add 7 on both the sides. As I know that you have to know about which is the right side or which is the left side. This is the right side and this is the left side. This expression, in this expression we add a 7. Only we simply put the 7 on both the sides. Then next is we have to add this numerical statement without touching the number with variable, and we add the numbers. 7 plus 7 is 14 and 32 plus 7 is 39. After that we have to subtract 14 from 39. Here one thing we have to know that whenever we take any number from right hand side to left hand side, the signs will be changed. So 39 minus 14, the plus 14 will become the minus 14. Then after that we have to clear out this numerical statement without touching the monomial algebraic expression. The expression's value, the y, we have to find, that which we have to find. And finally we get the simplest form of the expression, that is 5y is equal to 25. Then we have to just simply divide the numbers. We can also make this expression in that form, and then we have to get the value of y, that is 5. And when we finally get the value of y, to ensure that where it will be correct or not, we put the value of y in that expression, which gives you a number after the equal sign, that is 32. Then it means that the value of y is correct. We take next question to find the value of variable by using subtraction method. Here we have to find the value of x. In addition method we have to add the numbers, and in this we have to subtract the number, which is 14. So in both the side we have to subtract the 14 number. We just write down the expression which says that we have to subtract the 14 from both the sides. Don't change the sign of any number. Then after that we have to first solve the numerical statement without touching the x variable. Then 14 minus 14 will become 0, and in the right hand side equation the minus minus will become addition, and we add the numbers and we put the biggest number sign, that is minus. So this is the simplest form of the expression. Here we have to just simply remove the 0 and the value of x is minus 22. There is no need to subtract the right hand side number to left hand side number. Just simply after that we put the minus 22 at the place of x and we get the minus 8. When one is positive and one is negative, the answer is negative. So it confirms that it is a number with a negative sign. We take the next question. Here we have to find the value of x. In both the previous equations we add or subtract the middle number, and here is a variable. So in that also we have to just add the variable or subtract the variable. Firstly we take addition method, so we add the x variable in both the sides without changing the sign of any number or variable. The second step, we have to subtract the right side x to the left side x. So the left side positive x will become the negative x. That will remove this 2x. Then after that the variable that which we have to find, we take it on the left side. with sign, and the minus 36 as it is, and the plus 12 will become the minus 12. So the answer is plus 48. The minus minus is cut it out. To find it correct, we put the value of x, that is 48, and find out that the answer is correct. In this video, we take the linear equations in one variable to find the value of variables by standardized method, as by addition method or by subtraction method. We can also get this value of variables without adding or subtraction method. Let's see a shortcut method. This is the first example that we solved previously by addition method. Here we solve this by shortcut method. Just by transferring the numbers from right side to the left side. So the rule says the 32 as it is, the plus 7 will become minus 7. So 5y is equal to 32 minus 7, and the 5y will become 25, and the value of y will become 5. At the final step, we have to divide the numbers to get the value of variable, that is 5. So in that way we can also get the answer. The second question that we solved by the subtraction method, here we solve it by transferring the right side number to the left side number. The minus 8 will transfer to the left hand side number as it is with the sign, and in the left side the plus 14 will become minus 14. So the value of x is minus 22. The minus minus will become positive, so we add the numbers and we take the bigger number sign, that is minus 14 signs, that is minus. And this is the third question that we solved previously. Here we solve by this rule. The first step, we have to bring the minus x to the left side with the sign, and the minus 36 as it is to the left side, and the plus 12 will become the minus 12. So the minus x is equal to 48, as the minus minus will become positive, and we put the biggest number sign, that is minus 48. Then after that the xx will cut out, and the value of variable x is 48. I hope you get the clarity of this kind of questions. To practice this kind of questions, you can get the worksheets link in the description box.